Can I naturally lower my blood sugar spikes after every meal just by eating fermented foods? Let's find out. Blood sugar spikes. We all experience them after a meal. But have you ever stopped to think about the impact they have on our health? Essentially, when we eat, our body breaks down the food into glucose, which then enters our bloodstream. For people with diabetes or insulin resistance, this can be a major problem. But even if you're not dealing with these conditions, blood sugar spikes can still cause fatigue, brain fog, and cravings for more unhealthy foods. So what's the alternative? Well, some research suggests that fermented foods might offer a natural solution to smoothing out those spikes. Managing blood sugar spikes is crucial for long-term health because when we're constantly spiking and crashing, it can lead to insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and even cardiovascular disease. The problem is, a lot of people struggle to manage their blood sugar levels. They might try to avoid certain foods or count carbs, but that can get complicated and restrictive. And let's be real, who wants to feel like they're always on a diet? A better approach might be to focus on adding healthy foods to your diet, rather than cutting out the ones you love. Fermented foods are one of those healthy additions that can make a big difference. When we eat fermented foods, we're introducing beneficial probiotics into our gut microbiome. These probiotics help break down the food and produce short-chain fatty acids, which can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Some examples of fermented foods include kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and yogurt. These foods are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients and beneficial microbes that can help regulate blood sugar spikes. The science behind fermented foods and blood sugar regulation is pretty compelling. Studies have shown that eating fermented foods can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and even lower blood sugar levels. For example, one study found that people who ate fermented kimchi had improved glucose tolerance and reduced insulin resistance. Another study found that consuming fermented yogurt helped regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. These studies suggest that incorporating fermented foods into your diet could have a significant impact on your blood sugar levels. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet is easy. You can start by adding a serving of kimchi or sauerkraut to your meals. You can also try drinking kefir or eating yogurt with live cultures. The key is to find foods that you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle. With a little creativity, you can make fermented foods a delicious and sustainable part of your diet. To sum it up, fermented foods offer a natural way to manage blood sugar spikes and improve overall health. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and even lower blood sugar levels. So why not give it a try? Start experimenting with fermented foods today and see how they can benefit your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips designed especially for adults 55 and better. Every week, I share practical ways to help you feel stronger, healthier, and more confident as you age. If you've tried probiotics or fermented foods, let me know in the comments. Which one has worked best for you? I'd love to hear your experience. And before you go, check out the next video on your screen for more simple ways to support healthy aging. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep your vibes high and your health higher. Catch you in the next one.